The first supplier proposed the Turnkey solution for tissue intelligent equipment. National high-tech enterprise. Focus on the industry for more than 30 years. Baosuo Enterprise Group owns 7 subsidiaries and 6 production bases. Baosuo has established a complete industrial chain, and its scope of business covers tissue machines, tissue converting machines, tissue packing machines, electrical intelligence system, etc. Baosuo leads the industry with strong comprehensive strength. The sales network of Baosuo Enterprise Group has spread to 125 countries and regions, served more than 12,000 customers in China and abroad.
Baosuo ranks third in global market share of main tissue machine suppliers from 2000 to 2025.
Baosuo has established its first overseas R&D center in Italy. The cradle of tissue machinery achieved the in-depth integration of innovative technologies. Baosuo provides the Turnkey solutions for tissue production, from automatic and customized tissue-making machines, converting machines to packaging machines, complete with electrical automation, information and digital system services. Baosuo is committed to creating a manned, digital and intelligent factory for customers. With IE4 Intelligent Workstation provides energy-saving investment solution integrating low-carbon production line and intelligent manufacturing for various industries. In the competitive market, Baosuo keeps pace with the times. Innovation has always driven enterprise development. Baosuo has 6 large production bases covering an area of more than 500,000 square meters. Large-scale and modern manufacturing base is a close integration of highly intelligent and lean, and more than 200 sets of precision machining equipment, comprehensively guarantee processing and quality with critical process and innovative technology. Implements whole process transparent tracking and real-time effective monitoring management, timely grabs the feedback of production information. The comprehensive application of the digital management system make the intelligent manufacturing process more efficient and the monitoring of the entire field more rigorous. From production and assembly to deliver, our complete and precise inspection tools and strict inspection standards ensure the quality of finished products. Quality-oriented, innovation-led, Baosuo is positioned as scientific and technological R&D plus project incubation plus headquarters economy, and committed to building a high-end service demonstration base of internet plus tissue equipment, invests a large amount of R&D funds every year, and has built 2 major R&D centers. The R&D workshop of more than 15,000 square meters is divided into several targeted functional R&D incubation areas to actively promote mass production implementation of R&D projects within the enterprise group. More than 100 scientific researchers in China and abroad committed to the core research and development of new materials, new technologies, new processes, and new products. Cooperated with well-known overseas enterprises in terms of research and development, such as Germany Siemens, Switzerland ABB, Japan Mitsubishi, Sweden SKF, the United States Albany, Germany SEW, etc., and established long-term industry-university research relationship with universities such as South China University of Technology. Up to now, the group has obtained more than 200 patents and won the 23rd China Patent Excellence Award. Over the years, Baosuo strives to provide global customers with professional tissue intelligent equipment Turnkey solution and create the value of low energy consumption, high efficiency, and harmonious development. However, successful product delivery is not the end of cooperation. The value chain continues to extend. Baosuo has established an excellent service team, deploying a complete sales network around the world, and continues to follow up with professional sales service so as to timely solve problems for customers and provide satisfactory service experience. Baosuo strives for excellence through the development of various training and cultural activities. Employees' self-worth has been greatly enhanced. Moreover, Baosuo actively undertakes social responsibilities and continues to support public welfare, charity, and education. In the future, Baosuo will adhere to the business philosophy of concentricity, coexistence, and perpetual innovation, and encourage the spirit of innovation in the corporate setting, committed to the development of world equipment manufacturing industry. Baosuo Enterprise Group